So first of all, we'll take a look at your question, and we'll answer a couple of questions about it so you guys can kind of proceed along the path. If I can find your problem. Here we go. Okay. Wait, that's not your problem. Is this your problem?
Yes.
Oh, yeah.
Yes.
First of all,
I have 99.
before we do anything, we had to figure out whether it is a confidence interval or a hypothesis test.
Uh-huh.
And we had to figure out whether it's a proportion or a mean. So first of all, is this a confidence interval or a hypothesis test?
Hypothesis.
How do you know?
Because there's a claim.
Right, so there is a claim, and there's a test. Test the claim. What's another way you know? Was that? Well, that could be either one. Do you see the word? Do you see the words confidence interval here?
No, or estimate. It's not.
Right, there is no confidence interval or estimate there anywhere. Okay, so then you know it must be it's probably a hypothesis test. And then you see some stuff about claims and tests, so you know it's a test. Great, now is it a proportion or a mean?
Proportion.
How do you know?
There's no
There's no,
average.
yeah, there's no mean. So there's no word mean, there's no word average, there's no mean in disguise, which would be a list of numbers. There is no X bar. Okay, so we know it's a proportion, and we know that it is a test. What's the claim? Oh, there's also a claim. So everybody find the claim. Find the word claim and then find the claim. Okay, so I'm going to randomly pick somebody to have found the word claim. Maybe. Maybe not. Alright, this one's it got cooler. Check this out. See how it runs through them all like that? Oh, Calvin. Where's the word claim? What's the claim?
Claim is the second sentence. The claim is that money in large denominations is less likely to be spent relative to an equivalent amount in many smaller denominations.
Right. So what two things are we comparing there? Yeah, money in large denominations and money in smaller denominations. And what are we saying about them? That they're equal, that they're not equal, that one's smaller, that one's larger? One is smaller. So the large denominations, group 1 is smaller than group 2. Does that kind of help people out with that part? Okay, so this is a proportion. It's 2 samples, right? Because now we have 2 groups. So we have 1 sample, we have another sample, we have 2 samples. Look for how many samples you have, and I'll give you some hints there. So it's a 2 sample proportion test.